Lucifer Club. No, it's for my friend.
Okay, you come your friend, you, me, and my friend.
No, only my friend. Maybe. It's for my friend only, not for me. Yes, you talk with him.
The Western.
What do you want? You give with name card?
Yes.
Another girl?
She tell me massage sir, and I give her massage card.
Ah, you give number from another girl massage card. But why? It's not interesting. Арабески. Always noisy, yes, yes. maybe it's already good massage here. Laundry massage. It's massage only, yes? Massage? Oh, thank you, thank you. Massage. Also massage. So many massage. Laundry and massage, yes? Oh, very good, it's together. Georgi, better you go to laundry with massage. Secret garden. What is this secret garden? Is hotel or what is it?
Diyan dati, o, tinulak ako dyan. Ay ko!
Hi?
Take a video.
Video?
Yeah.
Okay. What is your name?
My name is Samueli, half Congo, South Africa.
Okay. We're from Africa?
Half Africa.
Ah, half
My
African.
mother is from Congo.
Ah, understand. Okay. You know channel It's My Life Philippines. You know, can see.
What?
Channel It's My Life Philippines. You can watch later.
Yeah. Nice to meet you. So happy.
Finish work? Where you want it? Not say kimchi, not say kimchi. Shaira, always kimchi. We already been in kimchi today. Remove face mask. No, it's okay. Lipstick. No, Georgi want to eat in the, you know, before street foods. No, in the walking street. Okay? Okay, let's go. many girls going to a club, night club. Yes, so many, take a look. So many go to the club. Okay.
What are you gonna eat?
This place. No, you remember before? No, 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 this one.
Chicken cuts. How many? One.
Chicken maybe. Maybe chicken. Yes, chicken. Chicken's okay. Oh, also chicken. Yeah.
What's your name, sir?
Hi guys, this is popular place for foods for who live, who work here. This is place. Many girls who work here, they eat here. Okay, you can go. Are they in McDonald's, Shaira? Okay.
Baguette style. Hello.
So it's your business. It's your business here.
Second branch.
Second branch here. Another in Magalang also, yes?
I have branch in Sibera, Mabalacat.
Ah, Severa Mabalacat. I know it's market. We sometimes we go to Severa.
And then, in December 1, Mabalacat cities, they have event a Christmas village.
Christmas.
You must go there.
Yes, of course. We will go. I will show now.
And I have a stall there, 148.
Very good. I will show. Georgi, what about foods? Do you like this one?
Yes, and cheap. I guess pork.
Ah, this is pork, yes?
Chicken.
Ah, for me chicken, yes? Wait, I will. Georgi eat now pork, yes? This is pork. Ah, this is chicken, yes? No, 60 peso only, and with egg also. Very nice.
Extra 15.
Yeah, Shaira can speak English. Also, Shaira very like it. This is also for me, but don't have sauce. I don't know. I know have with sauce already. What is this? Ah, this is KK. Okay, I will eat now.
Right about that, tapsilok, mitsilok, everything lok.
Yes, why is lok always? Tapsilok, silok, what is this? You explain.
Squid silog or tapsilog, it's a combination of with rice and then with squid and egg. That's why they call it tapsilog. You cannot remove the egg in the meal. That's why they call it silog.
Ah, what's why tapsilok?
But if it's single only meal, they call it like burger and ham only, like this.
If put ham lok, it means already ham with egg.
Yes, with rice already.
And with rice. Understand.
So it's a famous thing, food here in Walking Street.
No, not only walking street, maybe.
Yeah, but he said he have branch in Mamalacan, right?
He said in my no wait.
Severa.
In Severa, yes, in Severa.
Also, you've seen already before.
What is it? Sisig silog.
Sisig silog is famous here in Philippines.
Sisig, what is it?
What is...
Sisig. It's a
Ah,
sisig.
pork?
it's like mixed with ear, nose of the pig. So chicken is chick silog it means chicken. Pork silog it means pork. Bangus like bang silog it means bangus like milk fish. And already the mix.
Okay, Shaira, need to say thank you for watching because already my camera is low back.
Okay, thank you for watching guys. Salamat and please subscribe and like.